All right, guys, so this is a soaking stone. As you can see, it takes up water, so let's put it in the drink and let it boil. I find for about a good 20 minutes, and then it'll last you all session. I just have two knives here I want to touch up. We got the little Kaiser shard, which I took to 1,000 last time, and it is shaving hairs, but if you want it to pop just a little bit more, I'm going to take it up to the 1200. King Deluxe stone. I've called this the workhorse of all stones. If I had to have just one, this might be it. And I want to touch up. You can see there, I got a, maybe you can see, it's a really strong burr there that's forming. So I'm going to touch this guy up. This is my favorite kitchen knife. All right, I reckon it's about ready. That's my trouble with soaking stones, is I'm impatient. Probably only gave it about 10 minutes, but that's okay. We'll wet it if we need to. I'm gonna start with the Cuisinart kitchen knife on the King Deluxe 1200. This knife here needs more work than this one, so might as well start on it. We gotta deal with that. Can't have that a rocking and a rolling. I think I actually want to be standing up here. Yep, the stone is a little higher, so it makes sense to stand up. Bring you in and show you.
So you can see right here, I think, we're not quite apex, so a little more work. So if you pay close attention, I'm putting quite a lot of pressure here. You can see I'm almost bending this knife. That's how hard I'm pushing.
More pressure than you think here. Set that bevel. I got a helicopter here. I'm not used to seeing military helicopters fly overhead. Preparedness, not paranoid. That is burr all the way across. Less than a minute. I am not kidding you. Less than a minute. Hard pressure though, and this isn't especially hard steel. And I bet you that about does it. Now I'm going to touch it up, of course, but that's your initial bevel. Not quite.
So it's initially you want that hard pressure, and then as you establish the bevel, you're going to lighten up as you go, obviously.
Hardly putting any pressure at all, just the weight of my hands. Just refining that edge a bit. Almost making a microscopic bevel even just on the edge. Taking off that burr. And that is all it needs. Strop it, don't. That knife is ready for the kitchen. Is that enough for you?
So this stone has really nice tactile feedback, which just allows you to tell exactly where the edge is on the stone. But it also cuts really fast because it's soft. And the Deluxe is $40, but you can get the regular size one for 20 bucks. I do suggest the Deluxe size just because you get a wider, longer surface, but it's hard to beat 20 bucks. So $20, $40, this will last you a lifetime, and it will cut fast and polish your edge.
Yeah, that thing is wicked sharp. The King Deluxe 1200. I've said what I've said. This stone gets an A+. It's not very expensive. It does exactly what it's supposed to. This will last you a lifetime. Don't let anybody tell you it won't. You don't need that big brick. This one will last you a lifetime. You'll hand it off to your kids someday. And it does everything you need it to do. I would recommend getting a 400 or 300, 320 and this if you just want two, but if you just want the one, this is the one. Well, guys, I don't know when I'll see you again. Busy week ahead of me, and just don't know where I'll be until I'm there. It's such a stupid question, in my opinion. I mean, how do you know what you're going to do till you do it? The answer is you don't. I think I am, but how do I know? I swear it's a stupid question. If you want to know the truth, I don't know what I think about it. I'm sorry I told so many people about it. About all I know is I sort of miss everybody I told about. Even old Stradlater and Eckley, for instance. I think I even miss that goddamn Maurice. It's funny. Don't ever tell anybody anything. If you do, you start missing everybody. The only perfect novel ever written.